Are you interested in becoming a front-end developer but feel lost on how to begin? If so, this video is for you. Hi, I'm a front-end engineer at one of the biggest companies in the world. Today, I'll share my personal experience and practical steps to help you kickstart your career. Before we dive in, ask yourself, why do you want to become a front-end developer? For me, the first motivation was simple: money. I knew IT paid well, but I wasn't sure which field to choose. I tried QA but found it too repetitive. Then I explored Java, but it felt too complex and uninteresting to me. Finally, I built a website and that was it. I loved seeing the results instantly on the screen. That's how I knew front-end development was the right path. Now, let's talk about how to start. I'll break it down step by step. Step 1. Learn English. Many front-end development resources are in English. If you want to work for international companies, it's a must-have skill. Personally, I learned English using Oxford and Enterprise English books. Step 2. Master HTML and CSS. Start with static sites. No need for responsiveness yet. Use official documentation. For HTML, check html.spec.whatwg.org. For CSS, use MDN. It's more beginner-friendly than W3C. Once you've covered the basics, practice by converting designs into HTML/CSS. Find PSD, Figma, or Sketch files and start transforming them into code. Step 3. Writing HTML and CSS the right way. Write HTML first, then CSS block by block. Check if your HTML is valid, use a validator. Use meaningful class names, avoid unnecessary selectors, and keep your code simple. Don't use frameworks yet, focus on understanding the core concepts first. Step 4. Learn JavaScript. The best website for JavaScript? JavaScript.info. I read it multiple times because some concepts take time to understand. Another great resource is the book series You Don't Know JS by Kyle Simpson. These books explain JavaScript in depth and help build a strong foundation. Step 5. Learn Git and GitHub. You'll need to know basic commands. Commit changes, push code, create pull requests, merge changes. GitHub is also great for showcasing your portfolio. Once you're comfortable with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can start exploring advanced topics. Testing, frameworks, data structures, algorithms, system design. These will come later. Don't overwhelm yourself at the beginning. To stay sharp, follow industry trends. Listen to podcasts. Watch tech conferences on YouTube. Read articles and blogs. Learning never stops. That's why I'm open to reviewing your code. If you drop a GitHub link and create a pull request, I'll be happy to give you feedback. I hope this guide helps you get started in front-end development. If you found it useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how your learning journey is going.